In our requirements documents, we focused on outlining all project requirements in more detail, including both functional and non-functional requirements. Functional requirements include key project requirements, such as the order form, customer form, route planning, and field validation. These entries were written in the user story style to ensure that we always kept your needs as the top priority. We also focused on modeling non-functional requirements to ensure that our application is of the quality that you at Acme deserve. These include simple design, scalability, and maintainability. Implementing use case diagrams was another priority for us. They were key in helping us model the use of the application from a practical perspective and greatly aided in development. Another consideration was the flow of the application from the user side. We wanted the user's interaction with the application to flow in a responsive and easy to understand way, so we took care to model the various interaction flows for the user. Here's an example of some user interactions with the application. We break down in detail the act of logging in and the act of placing an order. There are multiple other breakdowns of different interaction flows as well. Detailed class modeling and documentations were other vital components of this project that helped us comprehensively develop the application. Here you can see a model for the relationships between all developed classes, which include unique relationships highlighted in different colors, in detail on each relationship. Finally, we implemented a decision table for error testing conditions. This helped us comprehensively test and root out errors in our application by providing a roadmap of sorts for test cases and error searching. You can see here the decision table on the left and a few test cases derived from the decision table on the right. All of this was done to ensure that our product was organized, comprehensive, and completely met all requirements, both functional and non-functional. We are dedicated to quality and will ensure you a quality product. Now, let's take a look at our system design to prove this dedication to quality carries forward. In this phase of development, we modeled other aspects of our system design. Here, you can see various models for conceptual forms generated by the application. One such form is the Daily Business Report. The Daily Business Report is designed to be a model produced as a daily summary of the application use that can be referenced to check progress. You can also see the formatting for a theoretical order invoice report, which contains inventory data based on each order. We further refined our application by updating the screens from our first prototype, which we reviewed earlier, and linking with the use case scenarios and requirements laid out in the requirements documentation. You can see here the screen on the left and the use case and requirements on the right. We strive to ensure that all possible use cases and requirements for the application were correctly implemented and modeled. This here is an example. The order form screen has been broken down in detail, and the requirements it fulfills have been explicitly defined here. All possible use cases for this screen and its functionalities have also been determined. This thorough documentation was done to ensure a rock-solid product. We even included technical support specification, which includes detailed documentation on the software. This includes recommended training approaches, remote assistance and troubleshooting policies, and training materials. We have included thorough documentation to ensure that the transition to this application is as smooth as possible for all company personnel, not just sales representatives. These are the many reasons why our product is the ideal choice for Acme Beverage Distributing. Now, I have something that I would like to show you. This is a functional prototype of our application, designed to showcase key project functionalities. Please have a look.